This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about bench scrapers. Traditionally, these are used to help scrape product off of your bench. So if you're doing something like bread dough and you've been kneading and portioning, you've probably got a buildup on there. And this is an easy way to clean off that excess material, get it in the garbage before you actually clean and sanitize your work surface. In addition to that, they also have a variety of other great uses. They're great for helping you to portion bread dough because they're an easy tool to use to carve off little chunks when you're doing that. So it's a nice handy thing to have on hand in the kitchen, and you can use it for a variety of tasks. And we even use this one because the handle is flush with the blade to help us getting really smooth sides on our cakes. So it's a tool that we use in a variety of different tasks, and they're a pretty cheap investment. And generally I have a couple of them on hand so that I have one available at all times, even if one is dirty and in the sink waiting to be washed. So I have a variety of different bench scrapers, and I use them for a couple of different uses, and they're a great buy if you're getting into baking and cake decorating. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.